Two researchers once turned a living cat into a telephone. In 1929, Professor Ernest Glenn Weaver and his research assistant Charles William Bray at Princeton University wanted to test how the auditory nerve perceives sound. Their test subject was a heavily sedated but alive cat. The scientists opened the cat's skull and cut out part of its brain to attach one end of a telephone wire to its auditory nerve and the other to the end of a receiver. When Bray said something into the cat's ears, Weaver could hear him through the receiver 50 feet away in a soundproof room. Whilst it might just seem like a sick experiment, it did have some well effects. Many researchers believe it helped lead to the development of cochlear implants. From their findings through these experiments, Weaver and Bray were awarded the first Howard Cross War Medal of Society by the Society of Experimental Psychologists in 1936. Later, during World War II, Bray served as one of the leading scientists of the civilian psychological research for both the National Defense Research Council and the Navy, whilst Weaver was a consultant for the National Research Council on anti-submarine warfare. As for the feline-turned phone, it incredibly survived the experiment, but Weaver and Bray didn't release it back into the world. Instead, they killed it to see if the experiment would work on a dead cat. It didn't.